Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We are getting straight into it, not to waste anyone's time. Just know the link to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, retail online television phone ordering platform QVC that has all these cool products that we all want to order from. They are hiring a work from home customer service person for their Texas customer service line. Now, just because it says it is their Texas line, there are a few states they are hiring from. Those states are Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, or if you're in the Boise, Idaho area. So this is in the United States, and it is for those select states. But if you're in one of those states, they are basically looking for somebody to be the basic customer service specialist. You'll be busy handling a high volume of customer inquiries, answering the phone. You'll assist those customers with questions they have while personalizing the experience for each caller. They may be calling to confirm refunds or pay for their orders, placing orders, or analyzing account data. They do offer an opportunity for advancement and upward mobility throughout the retail group of the QVC and the QVC brands. Now, one thing to note about this position, they don't require any actual experience. They want somebody who can be a problem solver and de-escalate unique situations. So someone who is a people person, somebody who can learn and work in a virtual work from home environment with a set schedule and a structured day. Somebody who can communicate in a variety of different styles depending on the person you're talking to. Someone who can use a computer and navigate around multiple systems. You've got to be able to troubleshoot technical problems and available to work on the weekends and holidays as needed. However, no actual customer service experience and no actual experience is needed. Now, starting pay for this position is $15 an hour, and every 6 months you get an automatic raise for the first 2 years. I guess it's a 50-cent every 6-month raise, making sure that in 2 years you're making $17 an hour. Now, they are making you have your own computer set up. They do not provide a computer for you, unfortunately. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.